Hello and welcome to day 1 of week 1 of trimester 2. Got a vocab activity to start us off. Once you get past the directions, go to the warm-up. And basically in your response, explain what you see, think, and wonder about this image, which is pretty ridiculous. So you should have some questions, and there's lots of different things to see. Once you're done, you can head back and go to the vocab notes and videos. You have your options with the video or just the slides straight up. My advice would be to listen to the video. I add a lot of different information, like if we were in class. And 2 words, communism and democracy/capitalism, are pretty difficult. So I would make sure to listen to the video and try to understand those best you can. Because your activity for today is to take your newly learned vocab words and go through the scenario assignment. So basically, look through each scenario carefully and then answer the multiple choice question. In the free response section, you'll be asked, I know because. Using your notes from class, you'll explain what examples you see in the text that made you choose the multiple choice answers. So basically, you have a different scenario, so this, and then you're like, okay, this is an example of a communist government, an authoritarian government, a democratic government, government censorship. And then once again, the I know because. So that's for you to kind of connect what you had learned in your notes to what you're seeing up there. You're kind of trying to use the vocab and understand it. And I'm just going to let you know now, if you say because of the notes, that's obvious and that's not answering the question. You'll get an automatic 0. So be a smart individual. Explain your answers. Don't get too lazy here. Explain your answers and then go through each scenario. Good luck.